Hi, this is Paul from Dark Escape Music. Today I'm going to show you how to find your Apple ID and your Spotify URI, which is also commonly referred to as a Spotify identification code. Open up your artist page on Spotify. Click on the three dots that you see here and move down to where it says Share. You'll see another box pop out saying Copy Link to Artist. What we're going to do is press down and hold Control, and you will see it change to Copy Spotify URI. Again, holding down Control, it changes to Spotify URI. Click to copy this or press Enter. That's all for Spotify. Let's move to Apple very quickly. When you open up Apple Music page, simply search in for your artist page. Locate and click on your artist page. Now, when you look at the URL address in the top of your browser, you will see a series of numbers at the end. This is your Apple code. That's all you have to do. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, don't forget to email us at hello@darkescapes.com.